I'm tired. $324.16. Had a long day at work. 3 more nights and I'm done. I really don't want a shotgun a beer right now. But if I don't, then I won't do one today, because once I wake up, I just won't want to. You can see in my eyes I'm tired. But the show must go on. And I am the main star. Alright, Rolling Rock today. 25 ouncer. It is cold as a motherfucker too. But no turning back now. The can has been popped. This is like number 53. I don't know. I lost track. All I know is it's number 24 this month. So 53, I'm guessing. Basic math. 29 days last year. Or, fuck, tired. 29 days last month. 24, 40, 53. Yeah, 53. Cheers. That was a big ass fucking burp. It fucking made me cry in my eyes. Oh my god, my eyes are so bloodshot. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.